Welcome to our channel Wisdom Point. If you can score 60% on this general knowledge test, your knowledge is truly impressive. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. Which disease is spread by infected mosquitoes? Answer: malaria. Question number 2. Which disease can be caused by a dog bite? Answer: rabies. Question number 3. Which disease mainly affects the lungs and spreads through coughing? Answer: tuberculosis. Question number 4. Which disease is known as the silent killer? Answer: hypertension. Question number 5. Which disease caused the most deaths in human history? Answer: malaria. Question number 6. Which disease spreads through sexual contact? Answer: HIV/AIDS. Question number 7. Which disease is caused by high blood sugar? Answer: diabetes. Question number 8. Which disease causes yellowing of the skin and eyes? Answer: hepatitis. Question number 9. Which disease spreads through contaminated food and water with high fever? Answer: typhoid. Question number 10. Which disease causes swollen cheeks and salivary glands? Answer: mumps. Question number 11. Which disease spreads through infected blood and damages the liver? Answer: hepatitis B. Question number 12. Which disease causes muscle stiffness from infected wounds? Answer: tetanus. Question number 13. Which disease causes memory loss in older adults? Answer: Alzheimer's disease. Question number 14. Which disease causes shaking and movement problems? Answer: Parkinson's disease. Question number 15. Which disease can cause paralysis in children? Answer: polio. Question number 16. Which disease causes painful joint inflammation? Answer: arthritis. Question number 17. Which disease causes airway inflammation and breathing difficulty? Answer: asthma. Question number 18. Which disease is caused by vitamin C deficiency? Answer: scurvy. Question number 19. Which disease causes a red rash and fever in children? Answer: measles. Question number 20. Which disease causes severe dehydration from watery diarrhea? Answer: cholera. Question number 21. Which disease is spread by Aedes mosquitoes? Answer: dengue. Question number 22. Which disease was known as the Black Death? Answer: bubonic plague. Question number 23. Which disease is caused by a lack of vitamin D? Answer: rickets. Question number 24. Which disease attacks the immune system and weakens the body's defense? Answer: HIV/AIDS. Question number 25. Which disease causes painful swelling of joints due to uric acid buildup? Answer: gout. Question number 26. Which disease was the first eradicated by vaccination? Answer: smallpox. Question number 27. Which disease caused the global pandemic in 1918? Answer: Spanish flu. Question number 28. Which disease causes red, itchy blisters on the skin? Answer: chickenpox. Question number 29. Which disease is spread by the bite of infected ticks? Answer: Lyme disease. Question number 30. Which disease causes severe fever and bleeding in some outbreaks? Answer: Ebola. Question number 31. Which disease is caused by the varicella zoster virus? Answer: chickenpox. Question number 32. Which disease causes inflammation of the liver? Answer: hepatitis. Question number 33. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of vitamin B1? Answer: beriberi. Question number 34. Which disease is characterized by weak and brittle bones? Answer: osteoporosis. Question number 35. Which disease is caused by a lack of iron in the body? Answer: anemia. Question number 36. Which disease affects the pancreas and insulin production? Answer: diabetes. Question number 37. Which disease causes inflammation and pain in the joints due to autoimmune reactions? Answer: rheumatoid arthritis. Question number 38. Which disease is commonly known as whooping cough? Answer: pertussis. Question number 39. Which disease is caused by the bacterium Vibrio cholerae? Answer: cholera. Question number 40. Which disease is caused by the poliovirus? Answer: polio. Question number 41. Which disease causes inflammation of the membranes around the brain and spinal cord? Answer: meningitis. Question number 42. Which disease is commonly called lockjaw? Answer: tetanus. Question number 43. Which disease causes abnormal growth of cells in the body? Answer: cancer. Question number 44. Which disease is caused by the bite of infected fleas? Answer: bubonic plague. Question number 45. Which disease causes clouding of the eye lens and affects vision? Answer: cataract. Question number 46. Which disease is caused by iodine deficiency? Answer: goiter. Question number 47. Which disease is commonly known as pink eye? Answer: conjunctivitis. Question number 48. Which disease causes chronic high blood pressure? Answer: hypertension. Question number 49. Which disease is caused by the influenza virus? Answer: influenza flow. Question number 50. Which disease affects the air sacs of the lungs and causes infection? Answer: pneumonia. Question number 51. Which disease causes episodes of seizures? Answer: epilepsy. Question number 52. Which disease is caused by vitamin A deficiency? Answer: night blindness. Question number 53. Which disease causes swelling of the thyroid gland? Answer, goiter. Question number 54. Which disease damages the kidneys and may require dialysis? Answer, kidney failure. Question number 55. Which disease causes inflammation of the appendix and often requires surgery? Answer, appendicitis.